Welcome to the Dragonfruit client and Genetec plugin installation and demo. Uploading video to the Dragonfruit cloud can be accomplished in 5 easy steps. First, have the Dragonfruit part number added to your Genetec license. Then you will need to create a new location. Next, download the Genetec plugin on your local machine. From there, connect Dragonfruit to your remote storage server, then select the cameras whose feeds you would like uploaded to the Dragonfruit cloud. First, ask Genetec to enable this part number on your Genetec license. Once this is done, Dragonfruit AI should appear under your Certificates tab, and Dragonfruit will be able to connect to your VMS. Once you are logged in and on your homepage, create a new location by clicking on the pink plus button in the top left corner and select New Location. From here, you'll want to name the location as you want it to appear under the Locations tab. Now you will want to select your VMS, and you will want to select the Genetec VMS. From here, you will be met with a page to download the plugin and connect to the remote storage server. Remember, the installation of the plugin should take place on your local machine. You will want to click Download VMS Plugin, and then select Save File from the corresponding prompt. You will now be able to fully install the plugin. The complete installation may take a couple minutes, and from there you will want to start the Dragonfruit uploader for Genetec. Once the plugin window opens up, you will want to copy and paste or enter the connection code from the Dragonfruit website into the plugin window. After this, you will be asked to select a temporary storage location or folder on your machine that Dragonfruit can store files temporarily in before uploading. From this point on, the next steps to configure the Dragonfruit client will be conducted on the Dragonfruit website. The next step on the website will be to connect to your remote storage server, which will require you to enter your storage server name, the username and password for it, and the corresponding IP address to import. Now the storage server will connect, which may take a minute. Once the connection is complete, you will be able to select the sources you would like to upload to Dragonfruit. This can be changed later in settings. Once this is done, the name you provided under the storage server name and sources you selected will be available under the location you created and their corresponding videos. The Dragonfruit client will export the videos from Genetec and push them to the cloud now. Dragonfruit will upload video every 10 minutes, and from here, video can be viewed or searched on for people and vehicles based on characteristics and source and time. Here you can view the video Dragonfruit has uploaded from our camera in 10-minute chunks, while the most recent clip is still processing. The other clips are ready to view and be searched on with Dragonfruit's powerful video analytics tools. If you have questions or would like more information, email us at contact@dragonfruit.ai.